What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use one of the main events in Roblox. And there's a lot of different kind of events. We'll go over some more in later videos, but today we're going to go over player added, which basically, as it sounds, when a player is added to your game, it triggers a function which you can make it do whatever you want. But the whole focus is just that when somebody joins, it triggers it and it does whatever you want it to do. So we are going to make a new script. We're just going to put it in our workspace. So first, we're just going to want to define any parts that we're going to call in the function that we have a trigger. And I'm going to use the block. So we're going to do block equals game.workspace.block. And then we're going to do game.players. Well, not players. Yeah, we actually have players. I'm sorry. Game.players.PlayerAdded connect function. I accidentally hit parenthesis twice. And then inside function, we are going to call the player as a perimeter. Then when we enter that down, get our ends. And then now, this is our player added event. It's as simple as that. You can add other perimeters by doing what you would normally do, comma, whatever perimeter you want. But right now we're just going to use player because we won't need anything else for this example. But any other perimeter, it works, no problem. So what we are going to do is change the color of our brick when a player joins. So we will do block dot color. There are two ways to do this. I will be showing you both the RBG way and the normal way, or I guess normal as in what we did before, just so you guys can see both, because I remember that I didn't actually explain that you could do both. Although the RBG color, most people aren't going to usually use as often, just because it's more typing and it doesn't really matter, as long as you know the color, that name. But you can see it'll try to autofill for you using a bunch of numbers, but we're going to make it a random color. So we're going to do color3 dot new, and then we're going to put random, capital R, or else it won't work, comma, space, random, comma, space, random. And this will make our brick color random using the RBG sets. So you would just replace the first one with red, green, blue, whatever combination you guys want, but we're going to use random. The other way to do it is block dot brick color equals block dot brick color random. It's dot random now. And then put your parentheses at the end. And both of these will do the same thing. I will comment it out, one of them, because we don't need both. And then we are also going to make it move upwards. We don't need more spaces actually. So we will do block dot cframe equals block dot cframe times, so shift 8 for American keyboards, cframe dot new 0 comma 5 comma 0, and this will move it up 5 studs. So if we press play, you can see that it randomized the color and it moved it up 5 studs. I forgot that was a lava block from last time. But what I will also show you is that you can call functions within this function. So we could make the moving up 5 a function outside of the player added function. I was used to type in a different language, so I was typing define, but you don't have to type define in Lua. But I keep doing that because I was playing something else that required typing it that way. But local function, and we'll just call it move up. And then we can get rid of it from our player added function. And all I have to do is type move up. And as you can see, it will still move it up off the ground. And to prove that's the function that's doing that, I will comment it out. And as you can see, it's on the ground. So guys, it's really as easy as that. Once the player is added, you can make it do almost anything. So there's no real limitations. You can call other parameters, whatever you want, call their functions. But we'll be going over other events in the following videos, or I may make one other different video first, but we will then go back to doing more events because some of the events are pretty important and you can just make your whole life coding way easier. But I hope that helped you guys. I will see you in the next episode.